The 2025 Hyundai Grand i10 is here, and it's packing more features, a refreshed design, and a stronger performance profile than ever before. Hyundai, known for its strong presence in the Indian market, has made sure that the new Grand i10 stands out in a highly competitive segment. Whether you're a first-time car buyer or someone looking for an upgrade, the 2025 Grand i10 promises to deliver everything you need in a stylish, compact, and reliable hatchback. The exterior design of the 2025 Grand i10 has been given a significant update. Hyundai has adopted a bolder and more refined approach, giving the car a sharper front profile. The updated grille now sports a more modern look, complemented by sleek LED headlamps that make the car appear more premium. The new bumper design and the redesigned fog lamps add to the dynamic stance of the car. The side profile remains simple yet sophisticated, with new alloy wheels and clean character lines that enhance the sporty feel of the Grand i10. The rear of the car gets refreshed taillights that offer a more modern, LED-inspired design, completing the visual update and giving the car a more contemporary appeal. Inside the cabin, Hyundai has made sure that the 2025 Grand i10 is a comfortable and tech-filled place to be. The dashboard features an updated layout with better quality materials that add a premium touch. The cabin design is clean and uncluttered, making it feel spacious despite its compact dimensions. The 2025 Grand i10 comes with a new touchscreen infotainment system, which now supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay for a seamless and convenient experience. The system is responsive and easy to use, giving you all the connectivity you need without the hassle of cables. Other tech upgrades include a new instrument cluster with a digital display, which adds a modern, futuristic touch to the driving experience. Hyundai hasn't compromised on comfort either. The seats in the 2025 Grand i10 are more supportive, with improved cushioning and better overall ergonomics, making them ideal for long drives or daily city commutes. The rear seats offer ample legroom, making the car feel more spacious for passengers. The higher-end variants also come equipped with features like a wireless phone charger, automatic climate control, and a premium sound system, enhancing the overall in-car experience. Additionally, Hyundai has focused on making the Grand i10 quieter, with better insulation that reduces cabin noise, giving passengers a more refined and comfortable ride. Under the hood, the 2025 Grand i10 continues to offer a reliable and fuel-efficient engine lineup. It comes with a 1.2-liter petrol engine, which has been updated for better performance and efficiency. The engine is paired with a 5-speed manual gearbox, and for those who prefer convenience, an optional 5-speed AMT is available. The engine offers smooth power delivery, making it suitable for both city traffic and highway cruising. Hyundai has